The cherry blossoms gave me so much inspiration. So I'm heading out with that feeling. Today I'm trying something for the very first time. I feel like this will change how my cooking videos look. So I'm really excited. Here we go, my very first experience. Morning. I need to change something. So I'd like to go to the place. Oh, maybe I can say nail salon. It's my first time to go. I don't know the place. Is it okay to film? If I can, I would like to try. If I can't, maybe I'll just after finished, I'll let you see. So let's try. If it is great, oh, what I mean is, if my nail is great, maybe my film of cooking film would be great to see. I just wanna try something, change something, and just enjoy. Okay, let's go. Maybe it's okay. Here is my nail salon. Okay, I'll push the button maybe. Really, here is not there. No button here. Oh, here is. Probably I can push. And I don't know, is it okay to film? So later I'll ask. Okay, see you later. The place is okay and she is also okay to take film. So let's start. Oh, so good. It's so cool. It's my first time to like that.爪の汚れを取ってるんですかね。
爪の甘皮って言って、ここにある余分な皮を押し上げてる感じです。動画はあれですか？なんかインスタとか TikTok
そうなんですよ。ちょっと今料理系の動画を作っていて、全然違うところで Vlog も少しやってるので。
なるほど。
はい。海外の方に向けてやっております。
すごいですね。英語喋られてたからすごいと思って。
簡単な声、もしうまくいかなかったら後入れするので。
なるほど。
本当店員さんやっぱりお爪もすごいおしゃれですね。
いや先生ありがとうございます。お願いします。お願いします。
Done.
両手先端とかを触っていただいて引っかかったり気になるところないですか？
すごい。
大丈夫そう
大丈夫
です。
そうです。
最後オイルを塗って仕上げます。こちらで完成になります。ありがとうございました。
立石さん最高にありがとうございます。お綺麗です。ありがとうございます。
お支払い。
Change the watch. Just 立石さん forget to give me the credit card back, so she ran. I didn't notice. So my nail, see at the outside it will like great. It's too bright. I'm very happy about that. Let's go back home to let Macho see my hand. Thank you very much being here with me to enjoy the first time. Try. And we are going back to our home. Wait, let's see. Let's go back. The Tateshi-san who nailed said that maybe once a month or 3 weeks a month, once or 3 weeks. So I'll try to keep my hand good looks, and maybe my cooking film also would be great. Okay, so see you later. Bye. Maybe see you next time. I don't know. Thank you very much for watching my vlog. Bye.